kasi mag-deliver siya ng Polaris or Can-Am ba yun? Hindi ko alam. It's so frosty today. 2 degrees yung temperature. Ang ingay nito, yung ingay ng heating. Yan. Hinaan ko na. Naka-on kasi 4 talaga. Full siya, full. Nandoon na siya dyan, oh. So I'm following him. I'm following my husband. So all day ako ngayon. Merong branch sa daan. Ayun na, nandito na tayo. Same old story. Hi. Tingnan nyo, may yung contract ko. Iwan ko na lang talaga eh. Hindi ako sure about sa contract namin. Basta lang, I'm not happy about it.
The next day.
Good morning. It's another day. Good morning, mga loves. John is so busy. Busy moving the joke box.
They're on the way.
So we sold our joke box, the Wallpaper. Ito oh. Wallpaper, yeah. Yan. Yeah, so na-sold na to, nabenta na to. Yung mga buyer, they are on their way. Oh, so meron na tayong space sa bahay. Well, good talaga na may space na tayo kasi ilalagay natin yung Christmas tree natin dito or I think dito siguro kasi we will have a real tree na, and if we put the real tree dito malapit sa radiator, ang baka madaling mamatay yung kahoy natin, yung Christmas tree natin. Hindi ko maalala if last year nilagay ba namin dito yung Christmas tree or dito. I think sa nalala ko lang, I'm not so sure. Nag-vlog ako noon. Pero I think nilagay namin dito yung Christmas tree. Well, I don't know. Well, my mind is not working. It's early in the morning. The usual. Gutom ako I really wanted to try this, but not this morning. Not now. It says tonic. Gin and tonic. Yan. Yung alcohol in niya is 5%. Ang aga-aga, alcohol na yung pinag-uusapan. Oh dear, Mia. What are you doing? Yesterday kasi, I've done 14 hours and ito ako pag Saturday. Ano talaga, fatigue yung katawan ko. Sobrang tired ng katawan ko. Kaya, I'm taking my Saturday as, ano lang, parang relaxation day. Kasi yung weather din, hindi maganda.
It's a sort of dish that if I came, I would order my starter and my main, and I would also have a couple of...
Your friend?
My friend!
The thing is,
Come on. Jan actually managed to put the battery.
It's one of those ones because everything's sharing.
I want to show them and remind them how the little Christmas tree dances.
Hey,
Oh, it's not working, sweet.
it did this yesterday.
Yeah, because you sent me a video.
No, it did this. It's a,
Oh no, hon.
no, it's the battery connector, I think. That's on, isn't it, down? Says on, doesn't it?
Yeah, that's on.
Did this yesterday. I put some other batteries in because
Stop that. No, it's not working. Sorry. Come on, mister. You can do it.
I don't know which one creates the problem though.
I don't know.
So I took them back out and then did it again and it worked. So.
Well, it did not work this time. There you go. Just do not put the battery na it, sweet.
What?
There it is. It's singing.
I think it's the switch that's faulty.
Huh?
The switch.
The switch is faulty.
Yeah.
My nieces and nephew will love this, hon. Aww. That's your Christmas gift.
It's exciting, isn't it?
Oh, phone is ringing. Yeah. Oh. Loy, tama na kasi baka mag-copyright tayo. Yan. So, yun yung Christmas tree natin. Manonood lang muna ako ng TV, mga palangga. And then, chill lang muna ako kasi sumasakit talaga yung likod ko. Yung, mostly dito ay, the back of my leg. Ano bang tawag nila dito? Calf? Calf? Basta ganun. Calf? Calf? Ewan ko. Basta mayroon silang English term dito. But I'm not sure. Look at you.
Freezing out, like winter.
It is winter.
That's why.
Yeah, we need to light the fire. Yan, nanonood pa din ako ng TV. Nako! Wala talaga akong ginawa ngayon, kundi nanood ng TV. I take a nap as well. So, light the fire, sir. You got the permission from your queen.
Queen Mia.
Queen Mia.
That was just a 14-ton bucket ladder.
What?
When they build it, bucket ladders bolted from underneath of the frame, so we have to take all the
He's addicted watching that.
way around.
Tea time, mga loves. So, magluluto tayo ng tea. Yung tea natin ngayon is pasta. Ito. Pasta with sausage and ham.
Goat cheese.
And of course, the garlic bread.
How many garlic bread?
Huh? Sorry, what did you say?
I said lots of garlic bread.
Lots of garlic bread.
Garlic bread.
So first, we need to boil our pasta.
Do you want coffee?
No coffee, thank you. Honey, I need. Oh, okay then. It's alright. I'll boil another water.
So, yeah.
Hmm? I'm so hungry. starving.
Looks so empty without them jukeboxes, isn't it?
Huh?
Looks so empty without jukeboxes.
You miss the jukebox already?
Well, empty on the roof, isn't it?
Yeah.
I'll watch and look for the handy price one.
You heard that? He said that he will look another jukebox.
Well, not to do now. I want to get my Range Rovers in place.
I
Why
know.
don't you just break it?
No, they said don't break it.
I don't like it long. Just amazing.
Oh, I like it long.
Right, just go and check to see if there's
I
any
need another water.
lunch and food.
Kailangan natin ng frying pan kasi prepatuhin ko lang tong sausage. Then hihiwain natin ng maliliit and also yung ham. There you go. Gusto talaga ni Jan na binibreak yung pasta. So, no! Hindi natin babaliin yung pasta ngayon. Naghihintay na lang ako sa frying pan na uminit. Then, ilalagay natin to. Oh, kailangan din pala natin maghiwa ng ham. Yung pasta na gagawin ko is para siyang carbonara pasta. Na-inspired kasi ako nung naghahanap ako ng picture kanina at nakita ko yung picture when we are in Bulgaria na si Jen kumakain siya ng pasta. Yung pasta na yon, yung sauce niya is blue cheese sauce, ata yun. Then sabi niya, no, why not gawa ka ng pasta ngayon? That's for our tea. But I said, no, I don't like blue cheese kasi ayaw ko talaga ng blue cheese. So sabi na lang niya, why not just, you know, make it like a carbonara sauce. At isa pa, wala din kaming blue cheese. So, no chance. Sobrang ginaw ngayon ay. At naghihintay na lang tayo sa ating sausage. Hindi ko na lang sinama yung taba ng ham. Tinanggal ko siya. Jan like the taba, pero as much as possible, tinatanggal ko talaga. Kasi sabi ko sa kanya, that's very unhealthy. That he said, oh yeah, it's not every day that I am eating fat. But, you know, alam niyo na, we need to prevent it as much as possible. So, ito na. Brown na yung sausage natin. Brown na yung puting sausage natin. Takot na talaga ako ay na ilapit kayo sa frying pan while nagprepito ako. Kasi until now talaga yung lens ko naapektahan talaga siya. So, you know, you better be safe kasi medyo may kamahalan din to. Wala ka tayong budget para dyan. Baka next year na siguro, hopefully. Para sa garlic bread natin. Ito na siya. Bango talaga niya ay. For garlic bread lang yung lulutuin ko ngayon kasi marami-rami yung spaghetti na niluto ko. So ito, for the next time naman. So, magpi-plating na tayo. Charot, plating talaga, no? Luto na yung garlic bread natin. Oh, it's heavy. It's heavy. There you go. First time kong gumawa ng carbonara with sausage. Wala pala akong cheese, mga palangga. So, ito talaga purely ano lang talaga siya, purely flour and milk. Kasi mostly talaga naglalagay ako ng cheese, pero yun, wala din tayong cheese. Wala tayong cheddar cheese, to be precise. Sarap ha. And garlic bread. Ooh, it's hot.
What's it for? I can smell it. Just saving up for a rainy day, someone.
What rainy day?
This.
You can have it if you want it. There's a little bit of
No,
leftover.
no, you're obviously saving it, so it's fine. You've got something to get to that. I get what you're doing.
Ito siya.
This is blue cheese.
Kain! It's not blue cheese spaghetti.
Could have been.
Because we don't have blue cheese and we don't have even a cheddar cheese.
Right, we need to try a blue cheese one.
Yeah, we'll try. Well, no, I don't want because I don't like blue cheese.
Come on.
So, ito siya.
Oh.
Look, masarap siya tingnan.
Cool.
Masarap naman ang sauce, so I'm pretty sure this will be a good tea. Enjoy, John.
A few moments later.
Last dish.
We need a dish. Please, put that in here. Oh no, it's stuck.
It's all the starch. It's full of worms.
It's not worms.
Oh, there's one.
There you go. That will do.
Like we're scared.
At meron din akong leftover, counting leftover ng sauce para breakfast tomorrow ba? For breakfast tomorrow.
Spaghetti for breakfast.
Yeah, why not? Diba? Why not, sir? There you go. Ben is washing the dishes today.
Yep, I'm very busy watching.
Yeah. He's really washing the dishes. Proper wash.
Yep.
Proper wash. So, nung dumating ako dito, yung dishwasher, nagamit lang ni John couple of times. And then, when I arrived here, We
She
always...
doesn't like washing up.
No, this...
No, I'll tell you why we use dishwasher.
Don't say that. Oi.
What we're saying?
That I don't like washing.
No, I didn't say that.
Wait, you did. You just said.
No, I changed my mind. For the real reason.
What?
I'd never realised I was living in a flood zone.
Don't give me that wing.
Oh,
He's always making story.
don't make
Making story.
I only tell the truth.
Really?
You know that I'm a truthful person.
Hindi naman palagi namin ginagamit yung dishwasher namin, but you know, it is handy pag may dishwasher ka.
Is that it? Let me head.
It's not about being lazy, but it's making life easy. That's a good thing. It's not about being lazy. It's about making life easy, isn't it?
Easier.
Easier.
We ready?
Yeah, I think so.
Action.
We'll clean the mess later.
No, let's clean the mess now. It's finished. We don't have to do it again. Come back in here and do something.
Okay, you clean the worktop. The cooker, as usual.
Yeah, it's always me who gets the bad job.
Ah.
Get a mess on here.
Because I'm the one who cooks, so you clean.
Who can eat that?
Yes. I cook, you clean. I help you clean.